students, welcome to introduction of the polynomial. First, before entering into the polynomial, we must know what is the what is an algebraic expressions. Look at the definition. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrases that contains variable like xy, constant, any number, and algebraic operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, I'm going to write few algebraic expressions or equations. Look at here. If I am writing x squared plus 5x plus 3 is an algebraic expression, or else x power 2 by 3 plus 7x plus 2 also algebraic expression. If I am writing root x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. X power 5 minus x power 5 plus 4 x squared plus 2 is an algebraic expression. Like that, we can write many algebraic expression. Look at the polynomial definition. A polynomial is a mathematical expression consisting of variable, constant, coefficient, all combined using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The defining rule, this is very important, the defining rule is that all the variables must have whole number as exponents, no negative integers. Okay, so look at the 4 examples there. This is example 1, this is an algebraic expression. Example 2, algebraic expression. Example 3 is an algebraic expression, and example 4. In this, all the 4, example 1, which is x squared plus 5x plus 3, and example 4 minus x power 5 plus 4x squared plus 2. Only these two are polynomials. Other two, second example and third example, are not polynomial because x power is not a whole number. Definitely x power is, suppose I'm going to take a next one, 3 by x plus 2. This is also a algebraic expression. This one I can write like this: 3x power minus 1 plus 2. So x raised to the power minus 1. So the second subdivision and third subdivision and fifth subdivision exponents are, second one exponent is 2 by 3. Third one square root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. Fifth one exponent is minus 1. So when exponents are not whole numbers, then that type of algebraic expressions are not polynomials. They are only the algebraic expression, they are not polynomials. So here 1 and 4 only the polynomial, because look at here, this is plus 2, here 1, here x power 0, here plus 5, 2, x power 0. So exponent of a variable is a whole number in an algebraic expression is a polynomial. Then look at part of the polynomial. First one, variable. What is the variable? You know very well. Variable is a alphabetical letter. Any letter x, y, z, a, b, c, like that. We can take any variable. The value can change. That is called the variable. And constant is a number. Just any number you can take. 100 is a constant. 5 minus 2 by 3 is a constant. Minus 7 is a constant. Any number, any real number is a constant. Okay, then terms means the separated by commas. The terms means the numbers, that is anything, the number multiplied with the number 3x, this one is a term. Then 5x squared is a term, and simply a number is a term. Minus x power 4, like that. If we are writing, separating a number multiplied with a variable, or simply a number, these are called the terms. Coefficient, a number multiplied by a variable. Look at the term. In the term, say 3x, here 3 multiplied with variable. So here you can write coefficient of x is 3. Coefficient of x is 3. Suppose if you are taking minus 5x squared, means coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x squared is nothing but minus 5. With the sign, you need to write what is the number there. And operation, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Any operation we can use. Expression nothing, made up of terms. You know very well what are the terms. When we combining these terms with addition and subtraction, only addition and subtraction, we will be getting expressions. When terms are added or subtracted, addition or subtraction of terms will give expressions. That is adding or subtracting two or more terms, nothing but expression. For example, expression can be written as if I am combining that, minus 5x squared plus 3x is one expression, or else minus 3x plus 6 is another expression, or minus x power 4 plus 6 is another expression. Like that we can write equation, expression with equal to sign, and that is, for example, minus x squared plus 3x equal to 0, or equal to any number. 3x plus 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Like that, with the equal to sign, if you are writing anything, that is called the equation. Univariate polynomial is nothing but a polynomial expression or equation or function contains exactly one variable. Okay, without combination of any other variable. If we are writing exactly one variable, that nothing but univariate polynomial. Okay, we wrote like that only. For example, ax plus b, or ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Like this, using only one variable when we are writing an expression, that is called univariate expression. Like this, anything ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d, like that many things we can write. Degree, highest power of the variable, nothing but degree. Look at here, in this highest power is 1, so degree of this polynomial is 1. Look at here, here x power is 2, then x power is 1, x power is 0, so degree of this is nothing but 2. Here x cube and x squared x d, and d means x power 0, here 3. So highest power is nothing but degree of the polynomial. Now according to the term and degree, we can make classification of the polynomial. Classification, two type of polynomials are there, based on degree and based on term. Based on term, if only one term, which is called monomial, two terms are there, binomial, three terms are there, trinomial. If degree of the polynomial is 1, that is called linear polynomial. Degree 2, quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, cubic polynomial. So this one is linear polynomial, this is quadratic polynomial, this is cubic polynomial. Linear growth. Linear growth is nothing but a pattern of increase, where the quantity grows by a exact same constant amount over equal interval of time. Suppose I going to take monthly, my saving means I'm saving some amount. Okay, initially first month I going to save 50 rupees. Second month again 50 rupees, 50 plus 50, 100. Third month plus 50 I can save. So this is the amount. Okay, like this, if I am saving some money, so here my the duration equally increased with the constant amount, then this is called linear growth. Linear decay means a process where the value decreases. Here, the previous one, if the duration increased, the value also increased. Here, if the duration, for suppose I'm going to sell a vehicle, means first year, not month, I'm having a vehicle. Year by year, the value of the vehicle by the usage, it will reduce, no? So years. First year, after 10 year, after 11 year, after 12 year, after 13 year. So what is the value of my, after 10 years, 1000 rupees reduced. Then next 11th year, one more 1000 rupees. Next 10th year, initially my vehicle is having some amount, and it will be reduced with the equal amount. So say initially my vehicle is, the value of my vehicle is 50,000 rupees. So first, after 10 years, the value reduced 10,000, means I'll be after 10 years only 40, and after 11 years 30,000 and 20,000. Like that, the value will reduce. The duration increases and the value reduce, means that is called linear decay. If duration increases and value also increases, that is called linear growth. In general, we can write this linear pattern, that is nothing but y is equal to ax plus b. This is the linear pattern. So this is nothing but, if we are getting some value for a and b, and replacing x and y values, we can get a coordinate points. If you are plotting a point, we can get a straight line. So graph of this is nothing but, this pattern is nothing but straight line. Straight line. Okay, so this is the equation of the straight line, where a is here slope of the line, and b is nothing but, b is y intercept of the line. Okay, B is y-intercept of the line. Slope gives what all the information slope can give. Suppose A is greater than 0, which means we will have positive slope. Positive slope means upward slope, that is here A is nothing but slope of the line, and B is y-intercept of the line. Slope means that is nothing but inclination of the line with the x-axis. Inclination with x-axis is nothing but a slope. Y-intercept intercept is nothing but the point, the distance of a point from the origin. The distance of a point on y-axis from origin is nothing but y-intercept. Okay, so when b is equal to 0, our equation become y is equal to ax. So this type of lines passes through the origin. When b is 0, y-intercept is 0, we will be getting our we will be getting the line equation is in this form, y is equal to ax. So b is 0, our y is equal to ax plus b becomes y is equal to ax only. This line passed through the origin, because if you are replacing x is equal to 0, you will be getting y also 0. So the coordinate point 0, 0. So definitely y is equal to ax pass through the origin. So according to A, if suppose A is greater than 0 or A is less than 0, we can calculate the slope. A is greater than 0 means positive slope. We will be getting positive slope. A is less than 0 means we will be getting negative slope. Negative slope, okay. Then positive slope moves upwards. This will move downwards. Then the line raise from left to right. Left to right side. Here line moves from or rise from right to left side. That is A is greater than 0 covers first and third quadrants, which will this will cover second and fourth quadrants. These are the points when these are the points when we are having A is greater than 0. These are the points when we are having A is less than 0. Suppose we are having where the slope nothing but the line moves like this through the origin, like this line move when A is greater than 0. Suppose A is less than 0, through the origin the line moves like this when A is less than 0. And one more information, when the equation y is equal to ax plus b is one line equation, say y1 is equal to x1, and another line equation y2 is equal to ax2 plus b2. Say in this two equation, A same but B differs. Two different equation, A same, slope same, but y-intercept differs means both the line y1 is parallel to y2. So for what all the lines slopes are same, those lines are parallel to each other. Slopes are same, then the lines are parallel. So slopes are the same, then the lines are parallel. To exercise 2.1 solution. First question, find the degree of the polynomial. You know very well degree is nothing but, degree means highest power of the variable, that's all. So look at here, first polynomial is given 2x squared minus 5x and 3. So here no variable, that means x power 0, so power 0, power 1, power 2. So highest power is 2, so degree of this polynomial is nothing but 2. Then y cube plus 2y minus 1, highest power is 3, so degree is nothing but 3. Degree of the polynomial 3. Next, constant polynomial is given. Minus 9. Simply it's given minus 9 means this is nothing but constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means degree of the polynomial is 0. Whenever the constant polynomial is given, the degree of that polynomial is 0. That means originally the polynomial is in this form, 9 minus 9x power 0. Okay, anything power 0 is 1, so that we are writing simply it is minus 9. So degree is nothing but what? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Okay, here linear is given, variable power is 1, here 0. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Okay, look at the next question. Next, write the polynomial of degree 1. So degree 1 is nothing but linear polynomial, degree 1. Say 3x minus 5 or 5y plus 7 or minus 3z. Like that we can write many polynomials. Next 2, this is degree 1 means linear, degree 2 means quadratic polynomials. So anything you can write, 2x squared minus 7x plus 12 is one quadratic polynomials, or else we can write minus 5x squared, or another variable y squared plus 8 is another polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Okay, or any other variable, say z, that is z squared minus 2 is another quadratic polynomial. Like that you can write many polynomials. 3, if suppose you are taking 3, that is nothing but cubic polynomial. Degree is 3, cubic polynomial. So x cube plus 4x squared minus 6x minus 23 is a cubic polynomial. Or else you can write y cube minus 7 is one more cubic polynomial. Simply if you are writing z cube, that is also a cubic polynomial. Like that we can write many polynomials. Okay, let's see the next question. Third question, write the coefficient of x squared and x cube in the polynomial. So take out the given polynomial, x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7 is given polynomial. Now, what is x squared term? Where x squared term involved? Look at here. This is x squared term. How that is? Plus 6x squared is nothing but plus 6 multiplied with x squared. You know the number multiplied with the variable is nothing but coefficient. So here my plus 6 multiplied with x squared. So coefficient of x squared is nothing but 6. Okay, look at the next one. What is that? Next x cube. What is your x cube term here? X cube term, that is nothing but minus 3x cube, means minus 3 multiplied with the variable x cube. Okay, so what is the coefficient? The number here multiplied with the variable is nothing but minus 3. So coefficient of x cube is nothing but minus 3. Clear? With the sign you need to write the variable, where you need to write the number. Look at the next one. What is there? What is the coefficient of z in the polynomial? The given polynomial is 4z power 3 plus 5z squared minus 11. You can see here no z appeared in this question. That means z vanished there. How it would be vanished? Originally the polynomial is in the form of 4z cube and 5z squared plus 0z is there, so that we cannot see the term involved with z. Okay, so whenever the coefficient is 0, the number multiplied with the variable, when the number becomes 0, it multiplied with the variable, the term becomes 0. Okay, 0 z is nothing but 0 into z is 0, so that we are not writing z there. So whenever the term is not there, coefficient of that term, we cannot say there is no coefficient of z. Coefficient is there, that coefficient is nothing but 0. Coefficient of z is nothing but 0. Next, what is the constant term of the polynomial? Clearly, it is given the constant term nothing but minus 10. Okay.